Okay, here we got a little John Deere that I just picked up here, a little John Deere chainsaw. It's at a EV25 or 25 EV. Yeah, 25 EV. Yeah, I cleaned up the carb and, messed around with it a little bit, and I got her up and running. So I could do a cold start here. A little cold. We'll put the choke on here. Yeah, it's going to be a nice little saw. I'm going to clean it up and get the oil ports working again. They look pretty greased up there. So yeah, I don't know. Nice little saw, little John Deere. Don't have one, so it's my first one. So yeah, check out my website, www.ratsleds.com, and or the message board, ratsleds at proboards.com. Lots of old sleds and chainsaws and stuff to talk about. Anyways, well, have a good day, folks.